una cut am o. Anybody wey go put pressure make for high table, that person imana saga unwegiye Monica.
Hello my people, how na dey? I greet the viewers, so hope so na dey fine. This video where I come across na Monica do am. So as I see this video, I come write post say una never understand say people no dey fear Saga again. You understand? For real, because when I see this video, Monica say wa fear mana. I just dey laugh. As I dey watch the video, I still laugh even yesterday where I see am. Say anybody wey invite Precious men to any party, they put am for high table. That people wey be say invite her in Saga in. Hey, Monica, they no dey fear again o. For real, you see people wey dey for her inside house, they no dey fear Saga again. Why? Many people dey wey be say they wan come like open page. They no know where they want for start. You understand? They no know where they want for start. So if you now maybe they come invite am and you can really come dey saga those people, you know say those people they go come for you. If na people wey be say then they look for the opportunity to open page. I dey tell you the truth o, okay? Then they look for the opportunity, you know say to open page, you fit open am, but if people not come dey watch you nko, once they just call your name, say to Monica, where everybody knows say people go there. You understand? People go there, say make them go watch wetin Monica talk, wetin say, wetin dey happen, you know, all those things. If they say make they really talk, if people like Precious men they do saga with you, I bet make you see the saga Precious men. If he saga you, I know say normally that one not they do saga, but for saga of a team Monica, this one na just my opinion, okay? Because you now you and other people we come meet you now. You understand? We come meet una. May you still try. May you comment for Saga. Because many people really like you. You understand? Many people really like you. If you do another thing, I so much believe say then go they watch you. Then go they watch you. Because people they will be say when you call say Monica, they will want make them go there, they want go watch you, they want go see what you they do. Because if maybe we call the Saga people where they invite people, it's not good though. If you go sit down, look and you understand. Okay, assuming now say you not there for live video, okay? You not there for live video, but person there for live video. So the person now and the person they do saga for social media. The person can invite you, comes a party, and you not be social media person. And that person now, because of saying with some other people, then get misunderstanding, it will come carry you, they'll come carry you for his house, come the saga you wear like temaka. You know like her now. You know like her, not good. You know good. They make people even they scared to come they say maybe they want come they invite other people to their party or something like that. If they make people they scared, and that kind of thing not good because sometimes you feel still do party, people will still come. They not come they fear or say if I go now, they go saga me. But if you go meet that one way, be say they wait one make come open page. You understand? You go they wait, make you if you go meet that one go use you to build page. Those one they not the fear saga again because they see say no the bad person. So now only talk. If you they talk you go still open you for that side. You go still they talk you. You understand? So now be that one. As I watch this video, I just say wait till be all this. Many people there for it then they not like social media. Why some they want make they even cost test them. Even though say na 1 cent na Facebook they pay because they know say that they pay. Then they see they want they find way to enter. How they want to enter, they don't know. Where I am make money. That one now you go tell you now you go tell you page you. You go do in the morning, do in the evening. You understand? Before you know, under 1 month, the page go monetize. And the people now they want me they come they listening to all those why they will go better go visual. And if I see you for all this one, you know what they do for social media. That make me when I read that post, I call the life. I even see other people they don't want to make Precious men go party again. Voila. But now a lot of people make them they invite people they go party. You know say some people they just like that party of a team. Monica, when we say Precious men okay, when we boy you see say the time when I fed do both bars, she not green reply you before she can't reply you. Just like leave her. Maybe you know say sometimes as well so wrong. You with somebody go get misunderstand. You know one make you reply and too much because of tomorrow. Because una fit still settle. Because I know say Precious men and person will be say like you. Okay, the time when they play, when they hear whatever Well, one way ya dey kwene na me way no do ya way ya kepeji. So they not the fear saga. They want even come, make they come even experience the money way still there for inside. That make me I do this short video. When I do that post yesterday, I just the last say people there for inside house. So even they don't open. Maybe na 100 people they follow them. Then they find something where this and one blow their page. Yeah, where you blow a page. Yeah, where you blow a. May say to Monica, everybody go come. All right, my people, now bye bye for now. Now this is what me I just do.